Hello, welcome to a new series called Unsettled Cooking with the DeWitt Bros. In this series, we will be cooking food for you. I am Garrett, and this is my assistant, Gavin. Today, we will be cooking ramen noodles. So first, you want to grab your chicken flavor ramen noodles. Place that down. And second, you get a pot. You read the instructions on the back of the ramen noodles. Add precisely 2 cups to the pot. Once your pot has 4 cups of water, you put it on the stove, and then you turn it on power boil. Now we're going to wait for the water to boil. Once the water is boiling, take out your ramen noodle bar. Take this, you open it, and you give your drink some flavor. That looks yummy already. And enjoy. Alright, we hope you guys like the start of our new series. Probably about once a week we'll do a single unsettled cooking video. We hope you liked it. Please like, please share, please subscribe. We'll see you when you watch
the videos.
Peace out. We will be cooking food for you. Okay. Add precisely 2 cups to the pot. This is a half cup. I need to do it 4 times. Is that correct, math?
You have to do it 7 times.
Oh.
Is it gross?
Yeah!